everybody. It's been a minute, but winter's over, spring is here, and it's almost time for me to start my through hike. For those who don't know or don't remember, I am doing a flip-flop through hike. I will be starting in Virginia soon. So today I want to show you everything that I'm taking with me. I will have my black diamond trekking poles. I changed shoes again. I have these Merrells. I don't even know what they're called. They were on clearance on the REI website. So far, I like them just fine. So hopefully they'll do good for me. On the outside of my pack, I have a EVA foam pad. That's going to be like a sit pad, yoga mat, that sort of thing. I need to trim it a little bit smaller. We'll do that shortly. I have a hat and I have a Garmin InReach. I think I'll do the contents of the pack next, and then I'll flip the pack around and show you what's on the outside of the other side. So in this pocket here, I just have my camp shoes. I took the brain off of this pack. I don't think I really am going to need it. Okay, so this is my synthetic puffy from Enlightened Equipment. This is my current bag of toiletries. It's huge, I know. I'm gonna work on it. It's got like, yeah, just, stuff. This is a first aid kind of fix-it kit. Could also probably be a little smaller, but I have a little time to figure that out. And this is just the rain cover for the pack. This is the rain cover for me. This is my Light Heart Gear rain jacket. And I also have a rain skirt. I believe this is made by ULA. Another layer here is my wind shirt. This might be a little redundant because I realize I could block wind with my rain jacket, but this is so breathable and I love it. So at least for now, it's going with me. This is my electronics bag. I have a battery charger from Nightcore, an external hard drive, the cords to all my electronics, and a little wall outlet, plug-in. This will be my food bag. It's an sack. I'm not, throwing a line and hanging a bag PCT style. I'm just going to be tying my food to a tree. There's an op sack inside. And I usually tie a Nyla fume bag over top of the sack to keep it from getting rained on, but I forgot to put that in my pack. I have my tent in a Nyla fume bag. I'm not worried about it getting wet. I'm worried about if it's wet. I don't want it getting everything else in my pack all gross. I'm using a piece of polycro for my ground sheet. And then the tent and the flyer in here, I just have them loose. This is my sleeping pad. It's a Thermarest. I also have a Cedar Summit blow up camp pillow. And these are my sleeping clothes and my clothes. And that is it for inside the pack, other than my quilt. I didn't put it in there yet because I didn't want to compress it, but at the very bottom of my pack is where I put my quilt. So this is a Enlightened Equipment 20-degree quilt. Okay, we're almost done, guys. Just got to do the other side of the pack. Okay. In this side pocket, I have the poles and the tent stakes, an umbrella. I have my potty kit, so my trowel, my bidet, a little bit of toilet paper, a little bit of soap. On this strap, I have one of Justin Anderson's water bottle holders. Right now I just have a wide mouth bottle in here that I'll use for like mixing my coffee in the morning. This is a clip for my cell phone so that I can take hands-free video. Not sure if I'm gonna love it, but I'm gonna test it. I have a bandana for wiping my face. Over here in this pocket is just another water bottle, a bigger one. And over here I am keeping my Sawyer Micro and my knock bag for collecting water. And this is just a pack towel. This is made by Arctic Cool. I like this a lot. You can get it wet and put it around your neck, and it helps cool you down. But it'll also be useful for, you know, all the things that one would use a towel for. On the hip belt, I have these pockets that I added. This one has a Kula cloth attached to it on like an ID badge holder. And in here I have a collapsible Nalgene. This is all for peeing on the trail. I'm not going to go into any detail, but if you have any burning questions, leave them in the comments and I will answer you. And here's another pocket. I have a bunch of stuff in it. I've got a spool with some, I think it's Zing-It line on it. This is for attaching this. I got this from Gossamer Gear. It's for attaching the umbrella to the pack straps. These are reflective markers. I really like these. I've used them to remind myself in the middle of the night where my pre-dug cat hole is. I've also clipped one on the handle of my trekking pole so that if I get up, I can find it easily. I've sometimes put one on the outside of my sack just so that when I'm looking for my bear bag in the morning, it reflects and I can see it. This is just salt stick capsules and tablets. It's electrolytes that I like to have. And a tiny little bit of salve. This is for anti-chafing. I'm using Ruby's Lube. And, oh, yes. And I also have a Fanny Pack. Hi, sorry, I'm doing a video. I'll be done in a minute. Just one more minute. So the fanny pack is going to be holding my snacks for the day. But in addition to that, I have a pair of sunglasses and, you know, a mask. I have my headlamp, my headphones, reading glasses, my eating utensil, hand sanitizer. I also have lip balm in here somewhere. Yep. And my wallet. So I think that's everything. I weighed it. It's about 21 pounds. I think I am probably going to cut just a little bit. So my base weight's probably going to be around 20 pounds, which I'm really happy with. So even when I add my food and my water, my total pack out weight should be 30 at the most. It should be a little bit under 30, and I'm comfortable with that. So thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you soon.